Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this large digital wall clock. Features a remote. It tells you the temperature, the day, the time. You can set an alarm, has all kinds of good stuff on there. So yeah, this is from Amazon, and let's check it out, my friends. Here we go. All right. So, top, you have this nice packaging. Nice foam pad on there to keep it all safe. First little bag here. And we have, looks like our plug-in here. It's fairly small. I want to see how long this cord is. I always like to show how long the cords are. That way. Okay, so it's probably almost 7 feet long. I have about a six foot wingspan, and that's not taut there, so probably 6.5, 7 foot long cord. So that gives you plenty of distance from your plug-in to where you need to go. And next we have our remote here. All right, what's the remote feature? Volume up, volume down, brightness up, brightness down. It's got a timer, hour, minute, second, 24 hour, Celsius, Fahrenheit, on, off. So that is that. Got all your stuff on there. Let's see what kind of, okay, it also comes with two little, looks like those are AAA batteries in there. So those comes with that. We just need to undo those out of the plastic. That's nice. It's nice when things come with the batteries in them. All right. And here's what we've all been waiting for. Oop, there's a couple things in here. All right, has the instructions and then this handy little wall mounting hole template. So these are kind of nice. It's difficult sometimes if you're just working off the back of the clock and you want to mount it on the wall. I think I'm going to be mounting this on the wall, so this will come in real handy. We just put our level on top of that, so make sure it's level, and we'll put our screws right there, and that'll line up perfectly, should, with the back of this. And we can see that, yes, that is really nice there. Okay, so here is the clock right here. It's pretty good size, guys. Probably almost 2 feet wide. And so it features a little stand here if you're going to put it on your desk or something like that. So that's nice. And we're probably going to wall mount this one though. So, and this one comes with a couple batteries here as well. Okay, so some of the buttons on the back here, it has brightness, can be auto, high, and low. So the auto is like, say you turn your light off or you turn your light on in the room, it's going to be a little brighter. But if you turn your light off, it's going to dim it. So that way it's not like super overpowering when you're trying to sleep or something like that. So it has snooze, it has set, the 12 hour, 24 hour, Celsius, Fahrenheit, alarm set, and timer buttons on the side here. So that is that. We're going to go ahead and set this up in a room here. And it's going to be a wall mount. So let's go do it. All right, friends, final review here on this wall clock. It's really pretty amazing. It's got good size. The temperature, the day, it has everything on there. Alarm clock. Just really pretty nice. It has a battery backup too, so if you unplug it, the screen doesn't remain on, but it'll maintain all your savings in there. So if you do lose power and then regain power again, that'll come up. You don't have to reset it, so that's nice. What I did is I hid the wire behind the wall, so if you can just have the wire hanging down and it looks all right. But I like to I just ran a wire behind the wall, and I made a video of that. I'll put that in the description below. But as far as just being a really kind of a handy clock that you can see from a far distance, so
what I like about this is that you can see it is bright enough, and if like a lot of clocks next to your bedstand or something, you have to turn over and see what time it is or whatever. And this one here, you can just, wherever you're laying down in your bed, or if you put it nicely on a wall where you can notice stuff, you can just look over and there's your clock right there. And plus it's like a night light too. It gives out, let me turn off the light here. So it does, once your eyes become adjusted to the light, it does give enough light in the room so that you can actually see stuff too. So it's almost like a night light as well. And that can be adjusted as well if it's too bright. So just all in all, just a super handy clock here, guys. Yeah, I appreciate you guys watching this review. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.